Welcome to my channel is Steve.
So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. If I give you a naive example of what a CSS is, let's suppose HTML is the structure of your house, right? You're trying to build a house and now your house has been built, right? So let's suppose it is HTML. Now you want to add some styles to your house, right? You want to add some coloring, you want to add maybe some flooring to those, all the things that are related to what style. So what is that? That is what a look and feel of your house will be, right? How your house will look and feel. So that is basically what is CSS. So it is nothing but the look and feel of your house, right? Let's suppose you have some website. Now your website is ready, its structure is ready with the help of HTML. Now you want to add colors and all the different properties, backgrounds, borders to your website, right? Or your web page, right? A website is nothing but a collection of web pages, right? So you want to add those things, right? Those borders, backgrounds to your web page, right? That is the structure which has been defined with the help of HTML. So herein you will use the CSS, which will help you to make your web pages more presentable, right? So it is nothing but a language to make our web pages presentable. It's designed to make style sheets for the websites, right? Or the web. Let's now try to break this acronym, this C, S, and S. So C stands for cascading. Cascading means falling of styles. Now we'll see in the future part of this video, of this tutorial, right? We'll see what this falling of style means, as how one style will take priority over the other and how does it do so. Okay, we'll see about it, we'll look into it in more detail. Okay, so that is what you mean by cascading. What? Nothing but falling of styles. Then what do you mean by style? It means adding designs or adding styles to our HTML tags. Okay, we have different tags and now adding some style. It can be inline, it can be external, or it can be internal, right? Then style sheets. Now we have sheets, right? So sheets means writing our style in a different document. As we all know that after HTML5, right, in HTML5 we have something that is known as separation of concerns, right? What does that mean? It means that if you want to define a structure, you define it in a separate sheet and you name that sheet, and that in that sheet it will contain only HTML code. Now if you want to deal something that is related to styles, you make a separate sheet for it as well, right? So there's a separate sheets that you have to maintain, one for HTML, one for CSS, and if you want to include some JavaScript, you have to add it in a different sheet. So this is what this separation of concern means. If you want to do something that is related to structure, do it in a different sheet. If you want to do something that is related to styling, do it in a different sheet. Okay, that is CSS sheet. So this is what a sheet means. Now there will be multiple style sheets available for a certain web page, right? Let's suppose you have two CSS files, right? Two CSS separate two CSS sheets, and you are implementing those sheets on a single HTML website. That is also possible. Okay, so this is what this acronym stands for: cascading, style, and sheets.